A man named Michael Carter, a 34-year-old warehouse worker from Ohio, wakes up before sunrise. He doesn't reach for his coffee. He doesn't check his phone for messages. The first thing he does is open his banking app. His hands shake slightly because today he's expecting his IRS tax refund. For Michael, this refund is not extra money. It's rent money. It's grocery money. It's his daughter's school supplies. It's survival. He refreshes the screen. Nothing. He refreshes again, still nothing. He whispers to himself, maybe tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week. Next week becomes next month. And soon, bills start piling up. Landlord calls. Credit card balance grows. Stress becomes his daily companion. And Michael begins to wonder, where's my refund? What happened to my money? If you've ever asked that question, if you've ever waited, worried, or depended on your tax refund, then this video is for you. Because today, we're going to cover how the IRS really works, why refunds get delayed, how mistakes happen, how smart people protect their money, and what the future holds for American taxpayers. Stay with me. This may change how you see taxes forever. Let's go back in time. To understand today's IRS, we must understand where it came from. The Internal Revenue Service was not always called the IRS. In 1861, during the Civil War, President Abraham Lincoln needed money to fund the army, so the government introduced the first income tax. People were not happy, but it worked. Later, in 1913, the 16th Amendment was passed. It officially gave Congress the power to collect income tax, and that changed everything. Suddenly, taxes became permanent. In 1953, the agency was officially renamed to the Internal Revenue Service. Its mission? To collect revenue, enforce tax laws, and fund the government. Over decades, the IRS grew into one of the most powerful agencies in America, with millions of employees, advanced computer systems, access to financial data, and authority over every taxpayer. Today, the IRS processes over 160 million tax returns every year. That's more than half the population. Now let's talk about the real issue. Why do refunds get delayed? Why do mistakes happen? Why do millions suffer every year? Here's the truth. The IRS is overwhelmed. Outdated systems, short staff, budget cuts, rising fraud. Many IRS computers still run on systems from the 1980s. Yes. While you're using smartphones, the IRS is using ancient technology. Every tax season, millions of returns flood in. Paper returns, e-filed returns, amended returns, identity verification cases, fraud investigations, all at once. And humans still review many of them. That means mistakes happen. Common problems include wrong social security numbers, incorrect bank details, missing signatures, math errors, identity theft, duplicate claims, incorrect credits. One small error can freeze your refund for months. Another major reason? Fraud protection. Because scammers steal billions every year, so the IRS adds extra security. More checks, more reviews, more delays, good intention. And for taxpayers like Michael, it feels like punishment. Now here's the most important part. What smart Americans do differently. Smart taxpayers don't hope for refunds. They plan for them. First rule, file early. The earlier you file, the faster you get paid. Second rule, e-file always. Paper returns equals slow death. Digital equals speed. Third rule, double check everything. Name SSN, routing number credits, deductions. One mistake equals months lost. Fourth rule, use direct deposit. Never wait for checks. Fifth rule, track your refund. Use Where's My Refund tool. Knowledge equals power. Sixth rule, protect your identity. Use strong passwords, avoid fake emails, never share SSN casually. Seventh rule, adjust withholding. If you always get big refunds, you're giving the government free loans. Smart people balance it. More money monthly, less waiting yearly. Eighth rule, build emergency savings. Never depend on refunds to survive, because delays happen. Prepared people survive. Unprepared people suffer. Now let's look ahead. What's coming next? The IRS is changing. Slowly, but surely. New funding, new technology, AI systems, digital platforms. They are modernizing, introducing online accounts, faster processing, real-time updates, better fraud detection. Artificial intelligence is coming. Automation is increasing. In the future, refunds may arrive in days, not weeks. But with technology comes surveillance, more tracking, more data, more monitoring. Your finances will be more visible than ever. Privacy will matter. Cybersecurity will matter. Digital literacy will matter. The future taxpayer must be smart, not ignorant, not careless, informed, alert, prepared. Let's return to Michael. 3 months later, after endless calls, after stress, after paperwork, his refund finally arrives. But something changed. He no longer trusts blindly. He learned, he planned, he prepared, and he promised himself, never again will I depend blindly on this system. And neither should you, because taxes are not just numbers. They are your time, your effort, your life energy. Every dollar you earn matters. Every refund is your money, not a gift, not charity, your money. So, file smart, plan smart, protect yourself, stay informed, and never let the system control your future. If this video helped you, like it, share it, subscribe, because financial knowledge is real freedom, and freedom is priceless.